Hi, I'm Kelly with Juki America, and today we're going to make reusable cloth napkins using a beautiful decorative thread in the upper looper by Reusable Napkins. Begin by cutting two 16.5-inch fabric squares. I'm going to use the air threader to thread the upper looper with my decorative thread. The right needle and lower looper are threaded with polyester cone thread. The Juki MO2800 is easy to set up for narrow rolled hemming because it has a switch in front of the machine to change the tension for narrow rolled hemming. I've eliminated the left needle and left needle thread as well as the stitch finger. Set the stitch length between 1 and 1.5 and the stitch width between 2.5 and 3.5. I'm going to use the edge of the presser foot as my guide when sewing the edge of the napkins. When approaching the end of the napkin, I'm just going to serge off and begin at the other side to get a clean finished corner. Once the napkin is completed, I will take that chain and use a double-eyed needle to pull it through the chain in the back so that it stays secure. Our narrow rolled hem is absolutely beautiful with using the decorative thread in the upper looper because it fills in the narrow rolled hem beautifully. You can create a set of napkins in minutes on your Juki serger. Join us next time and subscribe to our channel to see new projects monthly. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next one.